Hello, my name is Marlene Domingo, 33 years old. I am from Nueva Vizcaya, Philippines. I am a single parent. I have two sons ages 10 and 8 years old, one daughter aged 11 years old. My highest educational attainment is college level. My hobbies are cooking, cleaning, and gardening. My expertise is child care. I work as housemaid in the Philippines for 3 years from March 2018 to July 2021. I serve one couple and 3 children, ages 4, 5, and 17 years old. My duties are cooking, cleaning, doing the laundry, and gardening. I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn and save money for my family. I'm willing to take care of elderly and a newborn baby. I can sing nursery song like the wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. To my future employer, please choose me as your housemaid because I am hardworking, obedient, trustworthy, and honest. I promise to prioritize my job and a good housemaid, and I promise to finish my contract. Ma'am, sir, thank you very much and looking forward to work with you as soon as possible.